Well, welcome everyone today here to my Goodwill, or rather thrift store finds for the holiday season. So stay tuned in. Now this first item that I'm going to show you, I was at a antique warehouse in Fort Worth and I came across this beautiful mirror. Here it was, as I like to say, waiting just for me. And I was picturing it on my Instagram story, so you do want to come over there, Angelic Interior Designs, over at IG. Went online and found something very similar to this mirror, and it is called a berry mirror. It is worth over $140, and of course I paid nothing near that price. This was an excellent find, if I do say so myself, and I really like all of the ornate detailing, all of the flourishes that is flowing throughout the mirror. That is all of the little curvy leaf-like elements that you see flowing on the outside of the mirror. And the size of it is 47 from top to bottom, 47.5 by 37 inches in width. And then you could just see the detailing in it. Now I'm going to put it right up here where you see this mirror. I'm going to take that mirror down, put the wreath back up there, and just replace the mirror up there for now. I have here is this bar cart, and my daughter found this on OfferUp. As you can see, the bar cart is in mint condition, not a water spot, nothing on it at all, no tarnishes around the gold as well that is aligning the entire cart, just mint condition. She only paid $40 for this. It's called thrifting, but it's items that you can always find for a low price to style your home, to style your spaces, as well as get them for rock bottom prices. This particular bar cart, when I looked it up online, was $160 at Target. And she wanted a bar cart that she can use for not just a bar cart, but we're going to use it for something different in her office space. You can use these things for putting your printer on, as well as maybe in your bathroom, as I will show you coming up. And here is the next option that I have done with it. I have styled it up in the bathroom. You can use it for styling up all of your items for your bath time or your self-care day, using your bath bombs, lotions, and your luxurious towels, as well as an inviting candle for that beautiful scent that you want to have while you're relaxing in the tub. Just another option. This small red vase that I picked up from the thrift store, and of course it's great to use throughout the holiday season if you are using the reds. You can also use it for the upcoming holiday or the day of Valentine's Day and adorn it with some beautiful florals that you may receive from your significant other. Placing a little faux Christmas tree inside the vase, as well as some actually live branches that I have adorned along with the faux bush in the vase as well, and then just placing it all inside of a tray, corralling it all together, and you have a lovely vignette, great for the holiday season. here we have this lovely set of beautiful green glasses, and if you didn't know, now you do. I have a thing for green. Mostly all of my stemware or my glasses are clear, but occasionally I come across something that's beautiful as this in the green, and yes, I do have to pick it up because I like to drink out of really nice glasses. I don't think there's anything wrong with that. You don't have to wait for a special occasion. Use your beautiful glasses every single day for you and your family. And how I'm showing I styled them, this is an easy way to actually see your glasses on a daily basis. Pull them right out of your cabinetry and place them in a tray. And I want to thank you all for joining me on today. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and definitely hit that subscribe button. This has been Chanel, and again, happy holidays, stay safe, stay prayed up, and I'll see you all in the next one.